Hello. This is my presentation on my top three character strengths: hope, love, and spirituality. So the visual I made, it says protect hope like it is a flickering candle. And basically what I mean by that is that when the flame on a candle is flickering, that means that the flame isn't stable. It's bound to blow out at any time. So, you move it away from a windy area or you put your hand around it to protect it from whatever's making it flicker. And that's how I view my hope, just protecting it from any outside forces that could blow it away. Right? My top three character strengths, like I said, are hope, love, and spirituality. And the virtues they belong to are love belongs to humanity, and hope and spirituality both belong to transcendence. I chose those three because I like as soon as I saw the results, I was like, yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Just the person that I consider myself to be and how I live my everyday life. The positive correlates for each of the character strengths that apply to me is for love. It says listening carefully to a colleague who had a rough day. For hope, it says feeling optimistic about an upcoming work meeting. And for spirituality, it says feeling a sense of meaning during a mindfulness practice. Was I surprised about any of the three character strengths that the VIA survey identified as my strongest, or were they what you already knew about yourself? Like I said earlier, yeah, these are things I already knew about myself, but it was pretty cool to see um, confirmation on how high they ranked for the VIA assessment. Describe one way that you often use one of your signature strengths. The fact that I want to be a marine biologist. I've always loved animals. Animals are, in a sense, totally reliant on humans. So why not treat them the best way possible? And describe one way you might use one of your signature strengths in a new way, perhaps related to your career. I guess for hope, but this would also kind of fall under love. Injured animals, they really do pick up on our vibes or whatever. So if you feel like, this animal's not going to make it, or you just treated them like they're not going to make it, they might give up themselves. So just having that sense of hope for myself to give that creature that sense of hope that they will make it. And that's it. Thank you.